chicken. This one is the red egg.
Piraso. Red egg, guys. For Bodal Pie. Happy birthday, Ma'am Hattie and Jeremy. Yan, and then we have wings, chicken wings for fried chicken. And then we have fried eggnog and steam na okra. Tapos ng kamay. So, anayin ko muna itong egg. Ano naman yung pangarap mo, Tay?
Angelo.
Sino yun, si Angelo?
Si Angelo, si Angelito. Yan. Ayan, ano man yan. Angelo, Angelito. Angelito.
And guys, we have garlic, onion, ginger, and tomato. Hey guys, we have garlic, onion, ginger, tomato for the takong. For the fried talong. Fried chicken, guys. Tinimplahan ko na to ng seasoning, paminta, at saka secret recipe. Ayan, the takong. For later, for the Bodal Pie.
Garlic for the takong. So, ayan na guys. Nilagay ko na yung onion, tomato, ginger, and the chili. Halika dito, Pakners. So, isusunod na natin yung tahong, guys. Yan. Ayan na. At siyempre, kailangan inikos-nikos para sumarap. So, ito guys yung pang fried chicken. Habang i-steam natin yung tahong. Ba't wala na? Magpa-fry tayo nito. Wala na doon? Baka meron pa. Check mo. So, ayan. Ay! Mainit. Ngayon tumalsik yung mantika. Ayan. For the fried chicken. Fried talong. Dito yung ating kusina for today's video. Yung fried chicken, guys. Fried eggplant. This one is Shanghai. Still the fried chicken.